1 month, 30 days. That's about 43,200 minutes. So I asked myself, what is it that I can learn in this 1 month? And for the longest of times, I've struggled with drawing body parts, human body parts, especially the human eye. So I decided to give myself a little challenge to perfect the human eye in 30 days. And while drawing the human eye for 30 days, it's not a big deal. It can be mastered in 10 days, I guess. So I decided I'm going to do it with a medium on which I don't have any experience. And for me, that was charcoal. I've seen people make beautiful things using charcoal, and well, I've never used it in my entire life. So I decided I'm going to master the human eye, and well, I'm going to do it with charcoal. And well, to make this whole challenge a bit more fun for me, I asked myself, what medium am I most confident at? And well, for me, that was pencil colors. So I decided I'll do this challenge with pencil colors as well. So my main goal with this challenge was to be able to capture the emotions, the expression that comes from our eyes when we are happy, sad, angry, shocked, anything like that. So I started looking at photos of people expressing themselves, and I focused on their eyes and tried to break down the whole expression into basic shapes. And once I was comfortable with that, drawing these expressions were not a big deal. So after I was able to break down these expressions into some basic shapes, my next challenge was to master the details of the human eye, because I believe you cannot bring out the beauty of something unless you have its details. And well, I knew that with charcoal I had only two colors to work with. It was either black and white. So I only needed to create the shadows and the highlights. But with the pencil colors, it was quite tricky because I had to add each and every detail, like the veins of the eyes, the hairs, everything I had to care about, because our skin also makes shadows, there are highlights, everything. And well, that was my next challenge. And well, once I was done with that, I was pretty much done with the whole challenge, because you see, in 1 month I mastered something that I didn't know I could, because I have not been confident with human body parts forever, and it felt pretty good. It didn't happen in 1 day or 1 week, but yeah, 1 month I could do it, and I did it. And well, in the end, I was very happy with how it turned out, and here's the final result.